Try something original and stop trying to steal someone else's idea. Try not to get clicks. Shameful, shameful. Make sure you watch all the way through to see my response to this commenter. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. This is going to be a proof of concept. I'm not really looking for a beautiful piece. I want to see if I can make stereo phone amplifier with no batteries, no power. They seem to be all the rage right now with a lot of different makers making them. So one nice thing about cherry is it's very soft and easy to machine. It's a hardwood and it's not stringy, but it just cuts so nice on the lathe. I got two cracks. I'm gonna go ahead and fill those. I'm using Satellite City medium. This is my favorite CA glue. Hollowing is not one of my favorite things. I do not enjoy hollowing, especially end grain hollowing. I'm going to drill out the center. It's so vibration-y, vibratory. I'm not going to go too thin. This wood is, it's cherry, so it's very cracky. All right, that's about good. That's about as deep as we need to be. I did make a phone analog because I'm recording with my phone. It seems a little thick, but the holder that I have has edges on it, and I need to make this because it needs to fit between this and I have another one that I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna make two of them so it can go in stereo. You know what? I didn't retighten my chuck. Since it's drying out, make sure I tighten that back up. So hollowing to me is like digging holes in dirt. Like sometimes you have to do it, and I know I have to do it, but I don't enjoy it. It's a little bit thick, but I think that is enough to get the speaker of the phone. I have a Samsung and the speakers are on the ends. Yeah, so it's like up in here. So I think I just need to get in a little bit. So I'm gonna make a cut right there. I'm not sure why these are all the rage right now, but I've seen everybody making these, so I need to try it. Do they really work? Have any of you guys used them? So that's gonna put it, these are kind of small actually. It's gonna put it, but I don't think I'm gonna go all the way out. I'm only gonna go about right to here. And see if that puts the speaker inside there. Not really concerned with how it looks right now. That's what everybody says, right? When it doesn't look good. I'm not concerned with looks. I was at the beginning, but there we go. See if my fake phone fits in. Look at that. It's even kind of snug. So I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a second one. I'm gonna fill all these cracks. If you want something that's gonna dry or cure really quick for gap filler, you can't beat baking soda. I'm using Satellite City and accelerator spray. Cracks, they keep opening up more, so my filler doesn't stay. So I'm gonna have to refill that one. First one is here, and you can see where I patched it with the baking soda. Came out, looks really cool. I didn't finish the end yet in case I do need to change it, but this is going to be a second one because my new Samsung has stereo speakers. I want to do one on top of the other. So make this one have a flat on it or somehow to hold it, and put this one so it would be resting on the phone. If this is my phone, this one would be up like this, just catching the top of it, which is where the speaker is, and this one would be kind of like that. Try something original and stop trying to steal someone else's idea. Make it for yourself and quiet. Try not to get clicks. Shameful, shameful. Okay, so here's the thing. In wood turning, there's not a lot of ideas. A lot of times what we'll do is we definitely share. And if you ask any wood turner, they'll share ideas and everybody tries their take on it. So to say that I'm stealing someone else's idea, no. Radar is in the chat. Radar made these. I've seen umpteen different people making them. It is not shameful. It's just a different take on making it. You know, you can't say that everything made was always an original. Everybody kind of uses things that they've learned to make new things. So I disagree with you, Mr. Free. If you want to keep going, we can talk about it, and definitely anybody chime in. But yeah, I think you're a little off base. Like, you can't say everything. You can't do anything that anyone else has ever done. Like, nobody would do anything. You just sit on your hands all day. Plus, to get clicks, I mean, come on. I'm not getting that many clicks off this. If I said, hey, I just came up with this, nobody's ever done it before, this was totally my idea, then yeah, maybe you got a point. When I made my abrasive paste, I used beeswax, mineral oil, and diatomaceous earth. I put in some Vicks Vapo Rub. Kind of softens it up, but also it gives it that cool menthol smell. I love it. Probably didn't come up with that myself, though. I may have stole that from somebody. I have an old Samsung here. Let's do a sound test and see if we can hear the difference. So it does help. Amplifier challenge. Wait, there's an amplifier challenge? I didn't know about it, but I'll have to look into that.